Hello, welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to activate to show notification on Google Drive. And before that, I wanna ask you guys, how are you? So don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the tutorial. First, we can go to the Drive application here. Wait for a moment. And click three stripe here. You can click settings. After you click settings, you can click notification settings and scroll down. This is a three account in my handphone, and I want to allow and I want to make the notification is show and activate. Slide until the blue one, also the another account here, and done. This is a tutorial how to activate and show notification on Google Drive. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.